The next time you leave the dining hall, look down at your plate and other people's plates to see how much food is left on the tray. Most of the time, you will see whole meals still there. It has become evident of the amount of food we waste when we eat at dining halls, but what can we do to stop it? Wasting resources has become more and more evident, and food has been included. While we recycle cans, plastics, and glass, we also need to find ways to reduce food waste. I have worked at Shively for a year now and have seen firsthand how much food people are wasting. There is no need for the amount of food we waste, and there is definitely a way we can stop it. Students should be more cautious of the amount of food they are wasting at dining halls, and there is no better time to start reducing waste than now. A good place to start is to make people aware of how much food we actually waste. So how much are we actually wasting? In Chew on This, The Problem of Food Waste by Anna Moore, published on March 12, 2010, said we waste around 5 ounces a meal. She also stated in an average year we waste as much as $250,000 worth of food. Although 5 ounces may not seem like much, consider the amount of vegetables you need for a meal, which is 4 ounces. And as you can see, you are wasting more than a whole serving size of food. Now that we know about how much we waste, we should get down to the root of why we waste so much food. One way is the buffet style. When you have a buffet style dining hall, you may feel obligated to take a lot of food. Even though that seems like a good idea to get your money's worth of your meal plan, you end up wasting food in the end. In Colleges Reducing Food Waste and Greening the Earth by Allison Lilly, published on September 2010, stated, the dining halls make as much as people eat. If we take all this food, then the dining hall services accommodate that amount, which is more than we actually need. The cause of food waste is the core to see what we can do to stop wasting food. And one way is to stop using trays. When you have a tray, you can carry more, leading people to take more food. As some of you know, some of the dining halls here have a compost option where we put the leftover food into a bin and then it is taken to someone who uses it for soil. Another idea is to walk around the dining hall to see all the options so you know exactly what you want instead of taking one of everything. Said by Reduce Your Waste on umassdining.com. Another idea that goes along with exploring options is looking at the menu before you go to eat. This will also help you decide what you want to eat before you enter the dining hall. A lot of people forget they have the option to go online and easily find the menu. Finally, the most important and effective way to reduce waste is to change your habits on how much you take to eat. It will take many people to take smaller amounts of food to make a difference. The knowledge of food waste is now in your hands to take action that will make a difference. All in all, how much food waste, why we waste it, and the ways we can start to reduce food waste is the start to a less wasteful environment. There needs to be effort from large groups of people to make this work, so I hope you will be one of them.